Hey guys! Today let's make a homemade mouthwash that kills cavities. Are you ready? Do you guys like this video? Like and subscribe! Are you ready guys? Let's do this. This is so easy guys. You need a cup, a spoon, and a toothpaste. Add some water into a cup. Let's wait until it's full and turn it off. Then add some toothpaste. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Yes. Okay, so then get a spoon and mix now. Let's mix it into a cup. Ready, go. Okay. Almost there. And done. And you have an easy homemade mouthwash. So let's try this. Are you ready guys? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, now 1. It's so cool. It's so fresh.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye bye.